Ravichandran, PGT Commerce teacher, Shakthi International School, teaching class 11th as well as class 12th accountancy. I would like to solve one numerical question from past adjustment concept, NCERT past adjustment, chapter 12, partnership fundamental. The question number 40, numerical question number 40. The question details are Azad and Benny are equal partners. Their fixed capitals are 40,000 and 80,000 respectively. After the accounts for the year have been prepared, it is discovered that interest at 5% per annum as provided in the partnership agreement has not been credited to the capital accounts before distribution of profit. It is decided to make an adjustment entry at the beginning of the next year, record the necessary journal entry. So past adjustment means, as you know, there is a mistake in the past recorded detail with respect to the partner capital account. Interest on capital of both the partner not recorded. So there is a short credit on the account of interest on capital. It was distributed without providing interest on capital, but it is distributed as profit into the ratio of equal 1:1. Now that has to be corrected. So the first step is we have to prepare the past adjustment table. Since interest on capital omitted in the partner capital account, there is a short credit. Therefore, we have to credit interest on capital with respect to the respective interest amount. So first, interest on capital for both the partner has to be credited into their capital account. So it's a credit amount. So 40,000, so 5% per annum interest. So therefore it will be 2,000 for Azad. 80,000, therefore it will be 4,000 for Azad. Total interest on capital is 6,000. This 6,000, it has to be distributed as interest on capital, but it is distributed as profit. So a wrong distribution of profit has to be debited. Into the partner capital account. This 6,000 distributed into the equal ratio. So it is divided in the equal ratio 1:1. Therefore, for Azad, it is 3,000. This has to be debited. Since it is an item which has to be subtracted from the credit item, we will show it within the bracket. And for Benny also, it is 3,000. This is also has to be subtracted from the credit item. So it is also. Now the net effect on partner capital will be 1,000 rupees Azad capital account debit and 1,000 rupees Benny capital account credit. So the adjustment journal entry, that is the correction entry or rectification entry, is Azad account debit. The narration, wrong distribution of profit. I hope you understand. Relatively, compared to all the past adjustment question in the NCERT, this is very, very easy question. Thank you.